Good morning, guys. Welcome back. This is a Legacy School Year 2 Geography Week 2. You will need for this lesson your pencil, eraser, and sharpener, your geography class book, and workbook. Today we are talking about our planet Earth, the planet that we live in. It's Earth. Hundreds of years ago, people thought the Earth was flat. Sailors on long sea journeys were afraid they would fall off the edge of the Earth. Can you imagine that? They thought that the Earth was flat, and when they reach the edge, they're gonna fall off. Okay? Now we know the Earth is round, like a huge ball, and we call this shape a sphere. Okay? We don't call it ball shape, or we don't call it circle, but we call it sphere. This is a picture of the Earth if you've seen it from a spaceship or maybe from a rocket on space. Okay guys, this is a shape of the Earth, or this is actually our Earth. Can you see the shape? It looks like sphere. Okay, we call it sphere. What can you see in this picture? Well, in this picture I see colors on Earth. I see blue, lots and lots of blue. I see white shapes. I see green and light brown shapes or colors in it. Let's find out what are those. Seen from a spaceship, the Earth looks blue. Why do you think it's blue? Did we color it blue? No. It's blue because there is much more water on Earth than there is land. We have a lot of water on Earth than we have land. Okay? Lots of water. We have oceans, we have rivers, we have lakes, we have streams. So there is a lot of water on Earth than there is land. That's why it looks blue. Do you think we are lucky that there is water on Earth? I believe we are. Yes, I do think we are lucky because we need water to live. If we don't have water on Earth, all of us will be dead right now because you need water to live. The Earth also has a thick layer of air around it, which we need to breathe. We need it to breathe. We have air, a thick layer of air around the Earth that we need the air to breathe. Also, we need sun to give us warmth and light to help plants grow. The heat of the sun gives us warmth, and the light from the sun helps the plant grow. The Earth is divided into parts. We have parts on Earth, on the shape of the Earth. Okay, so the first line up, we call this a North Pole. North Pole. This is all the countries that near to the North Pole. This green shape, the green shapes are continent, or this one exactly is a continent. All the green shapes are continent. If you look at this picture, you will see lots of blue in it. That because there is a lot of water in it. Okay. The next line is ocean. Ocean is, of course, the blue one. And the last line at the bottom, or the last area, this is the South Pole. That means this is the South Pole. All the countries are down here. We call them South countries, or countries that are in the South Pole. If you can see closely, guys, there is a thin line, a red line, and it says equator. What is an equator? Equator is a line drawn on maps to show places halfway between the North Pole and the South Pole. So it's not a real line. We just draw it on maps to give you two halves, to give you the North Pole half and all the countries that on that area, and the South Pole half and that all the countries on that area. Okay, so it divides the Earth into two equal parts. The part on the the north and the part on the south. There is countries that closer to the south, and there is countries are closer to the North Pole. Okay guys, we call it equator. On maps, why do we have different colors? Like right now we see it on the globe, okay? On actual maps, we have lots of colors. Why? So to make it easier to find out what part of Earth is it. Like if you found lots of blue, that means all the blue areas are water, have ocean, rivers, and so on. Okay? When you see green, that means there's forest or greeny land over there. And when we use yellow or like light brown, this is for land. Okay? Blue for water, green for forest, yellow or light brown for land. Every time we use a different colors on a map, it's called a key. This is called map key. Map key, that means what? When you open a map and you find the key down, you read the key first. The key will show you everything you want to know in the map. Like if the key has green, that means all the green areas here are forest. If you saw, let's say that you put all the countries on the North Pole with pink. When you read pink down, that means all the pink countries are in the North Pole. You got me? So this is what we call a key. Okay guys, have you ever noticed that we have day and night in our day? Sometimes it's daytime, that when we go to school, eat our breakfast, sometimes we play, and the night time is when you go to sleep. But how does the night and day happen? How do they happen? Okay, why do you think is that? So actually because the earth rotates around the sun in the middle, and the earth is rotating around it. Okay, this we call it rotation. It's called rotation. Okay, sometimes when the earth is in the middle and there is sun on the left side, like right now in this picture, there is part that is dark and there is part that is bright. This bright side has the sun focused on it. If the sun focusing on this side, that means the other side is dark. That means the other side have night. Like us in America, here in Sudan, when we have day, in America they have night, because they're sitting on the opposite side of us. Okay, we have day, they have night. And I have a really nice video to show you exactly what I'm talking about. It's going to explain day and night. Please watch the link in the instructions to find out what do I mean by day and night. And I also going to upload a picture of a map in the announcement to find out the keys. What do I mean by key on a map? Now I want you guys to get your geography textbook and read page 4 and 5. It's all about the earth. Okay, it's about our earth. I want you guys to read it. I wrote most of it in this video, so just go and take a look at it. And I want you after that to open your workbook, page 4 and 5. You have 2 pages, 4 and 5, and complete them. Okay guys, good luck and see you next lesson. Bye.